Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update. And right, so let's talk about SLP at this point of time, guys. And are we actually finding huge resistance for SLP right now? So if I turn on the not the Gaussian channel, but I just want to turn, yeah, actually let's turn on the Gaussian channel. So it seems like you came to the lowest part of the Gaussian channel at the moment, and you're nearly bouncing off near that Gaussian channel right now. So if you actually manage to start to lose the Gaussian channel and close below the Gaussian channel, historically, that's not a good idea when you close below the Gaussian channel. You never want to close below the Gaussian channel. Now, it's been a while that we have actually, when I saw SLP for quite a while now, the last time you actually lost the Gaussian channel was here. Do you see that? You went down, lost the Gaussian channel, and ever since you try to go above the Gaussian channel, find resistance, and then boom, you went all the way to the downside. So you've been below the pipe for a very long time over here. And now finally, if you just notice, after so long, after ever since 23 of August, the Gaussian channel has flashed green for the very first time. Okay, and we are still inside the triangle itself. We haven't lost the we haven't lost the pipe. That is actually very important to maintain. Okay, so that's the Gaussian channel. The second thing is that I just want to turn on the EMAs. The thing is that we do have a bearish cross right over here. So this is your bearish cross. Are you actually just trying to go back up like this and go to the downside? Because what you're putting here is a shooting star right over there. Okay, so once you're putting in a shooting star like this, the market can be a little bit ugly, but you never know in this space what's going to happen, because you must watch the Bitcoin update as well. Maybe Bitcoin is finding a very good level of support. We haven't closed today, but if we start to close today near the 178, so that's going to be a shooting star, and that's not going to be a good idea for SLP to move to the upside. So shooting stars are actually quite negative. They're a little bit bearish candlestick that actually means a reversal to the downside. So if we start to close like this, the same way we are right now near the 177 176 range, that's not going to be good. But if you start to actually pick it up to 183, that would be amazing, really amazing. So you have 14 more hours to close the day. I just want to look at the RSI as well before I close the video. So the RSI seems like there's a little bit of room for SLP to actually go to the downside, maybe, and go a little bit down and touch the trend line here, which you've been maintaining for a long time. Touch the trend line, maybe start to go to the upside once again, or who knows, you can just continue a little bit to the sideways, and then boom, you start to go to the upside as well. So let's see what happens in this space, guys. I would still like to see how today closes. Can we close to the 176 and 177? I don't think that's a good closing at all. But we also have to look at what Bitcoin is going to do as well. So that's it for the update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. If you wanna check out my trading course, do check it out. Pay with 29 bucks. Join the Discord and message me on Discord. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.